Hello everyone, my name is Andrei and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing sleeping mask in order to enjoy your life, because the slogan on the box literally says enjoy your life. And of course this one was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course this is my own opinion on this piece. So basically, in order to go relaxed to sleep, you need a sleeping mask, especially if you're trying to take a nap during the day at your work. You have your lunch break, you can easily take a nap, and this one can be literally adjusted to any sizes of the head. Besides that, inside you have speakers that you can easily bind through a Bluetooth connection with your phone in order to turn on relaxing sounds, relaxing music, or just music if you like. And of course, really soft and pleasant by touch. You have the functionality button straight in front. You're going to be able to turn it on, adjust the sound, and of course, easy sleep and sleep with pleasure. Absolutely amazing. Just adjust it to your size. The headphones go straight into the ear on the sides, and you're gonna be able to work with those buttons from the top. It says power on, and we should go and connect it through a Bluetooth connection on the phone or on the laptop, wherever you might find your library in order to enjoy that music. Okay, we're gonna go to Bluetooth connection, and we're gonna bind it with ZF169. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth connection and bind it through the Music Cozy, because literally this is a cozy way to sleep and enjoy sleep. Afterwards, you can go to your library, turn it on, lay down and relax while listening to your favorite music. And of course, super soft and pleasant on your face in order to relax and go faster to sleep. With the sounds in your ears, with softness on your eyes, definitely you're gonna go to sleep really fast. And of course, super great to sleep in your dormitory, in your office if you're taking a break. Absolutely amazing face mask that I'm definitely recommending for you guys to try, because this one is absolutely amazing. I already have a couple of those, but they are coming and going, because my wife took one, my daughter took one, my mother-in-law took one, and now I'm gonna keep this one for myself, because those masks are life-saving, especially when at night you cannot sleep and you need like a stimulus in order to go to sleep. This one will definitely help you go to sleep super fast with the sound relaxation in your ears and soft pads on your face. So if you're looking for a mask like this one, you should definitely have to consider this one, because this one is definitely a recommendation from me. And of course, comes with a travel bag, also plugs to your ears if you want to just plug it into your ears as a souvenir, as a present, and of course a USB cable in order to charge those headphones inside the mask. Once again, guys, this is absolutely amazing and I'm definitely recommending for you guys to try. My name is Andrei and I absolutely approve this message.